Yeah.
Alright, we're going. Where?
Go. Go or I'll take my pants off. How's that agreement?
It's gonna happen anyways.
Yeah.
Just gonna wait for them to come back. Oh man, it's getting nasty up in there. Wootachuga, wootachuga.
Go, go, go.
Cat prevails.
I'm half Chinese, so I don't need you.
Cat prevails.
Oh my god.
Cat prevails. Cats win!
I think I broke my shoulder.
Winner!
Woot woot woo! Woo!
No! Asshole.
You can't redeem yourself now.
Fuck you. Dude, can't go in there, no! That's a cat with
Move. Move. I want to show the audience where they are. Exactly.
That goes far as hell. Holy shit.
Probably eating Jews in there.
Look at it. Give me. I was thinking, see. It's like a dark cavern. Look at that.
Like my mom's vagina.
He's looking there. Dude, you can see his eyes looking at you. Here, straight up, go in there. Go look. You can see his eyes going. They're just looking at you. They're straight up looking at you. You're not playing rock band. Get off.
I'm champion.
That's
Woo! Party on.
Alright, just wait. You're going. We're going in. You're going pantsless.
Hey, let me go first.
Hold on. Come on, you bastard.
He's got it. I think he's good.
You're gonna go in there. Are you straight up?
Ah, fuck my life. Is this power thing that I can't go in? I can try, but you'll see it in my skirt.
Alright.
Okay, this is how I go into Pornhub, Facebook, or YouTube.
It's all three, man.
Ah, hell.
Oh my god. You're gonna get fucked over.
Dude.
You got your ass wet. Alright, we're too loud.
You had your ass beaten by a guy in fucking silk underwear.
No, alright. Dude, we gotta be really quiet now. My dad's gonna kill us. Alright. Oh. Alright, can we stop it? This is rape.